Hey everyone, Phil Strader here at SIG Sauer, and since we've launched the P365, it has become one of our most popular pistol models to date. We launched the 365, we followed it up with the X Series model, the 365 XL, and then the 365 SAS, and we've enjoyed a lot of success, but we haven't stopped there. Now we're able to offer you this. This is the 365 XL ROMEO 0. So let's talk a little bit about the pistol. If you think it looks a lot like a 365 XL, then you would be exactly right, because it is one. But it has all the things you love about that pistol, like the 12-round flush fit magazines. It comes with 2 of these, and of course it's chambered in 9mm, and they fit perfectly in the X Series 365 grip module. There's a little beveled magwell here and an extended beaver tail, and of course what would an X Series be without the X-Ray 3 front sight and the flat trigger that breaks right at 90 degrees. But you guys don't want to talk about that, do you? We want to talk about this little guy right here, the ROMEO 0 optic. Now it's going to come installed directly onto the slide, sighted in by us with a 3 MOA dot. It also has a standard rear notch embedded into the housing of the optic, so you don't need a rear sight attached to the slide to co-witness it. You can simply use the
Stephanie here from the Sig Sauer Airgun team. Let's talk about our ASP P226 pellet pistol version. Now, this was inspired from the Mark 25 226 pistol, which was carried by the U.S. Navy. As you can see here, there is a little anchor up top right on the slide. This is offered in 2 different colors, FDE and black. A lot of cool features that come with this gun. It is a fantastic training mechanism as it mimics the weight and dimension as the actual 226 pistol. Features for this particular pellet gun: patent CO2 system in the back. It is a cam lever. It is a one-time drop-in CO2, close in the back strap, good to go system. Very easy for all ages. Moving forward, we have a safety lever here. From there, magazine. It is a 16-round dual 8 rotary magazine. So what that means, when you're firing down your backyard, 8 rounds downrange, once you're done, you're not done, you flip it over. You got 8 more rounds. Pop it back in, keep it going. Crisp, clean, white front and rear sights to allow you for good accuracy on target. Another very cool feature with this airgun is that it has your standard 10-pound double action trigger pull, but because it is a blowback system, just like your firearm will mimic, it now allows you a 4.5-pound trigger pull on a single action airgun. Not many airguns out there, if any, have.
Hey everyone, Phil Strader here at SIG Sauer, and today I've got a newer product for you, something different off the beaten path of what I usually review, and that is this guy right here, the P938 SAS. Now, if you're no stranger to SIG Sauer products, you probably remember back in the day we did a 938 SAS before. Well, this one's a little different, and I'll talk about it right now. What you'll notice when you first pick up the gun is that it has black Hogue rubber grips on it. It comes standard with 1 extended 7-round magazine, and of course, like all 938s, it is single action only. That means it will only fire with the hammer back. You'll hear people carry cocked and locked as a term, and that simply means the hammer is cocked to the rear and the manual safety, in this case an ambi manual safety, is locked in the up position. So obviously to fire the gun, the safety has to come off, as you can see, and then of course you can shoot it. It also comes obviously in 9mm caliber. This is the 938 SAS, so 938s are typically 9mm. The same 938 great trigger pull you expect is on this pistol, but we changed something. As you probably noticed, there is no front sight on this pistol, and that is because we are able to use the 365 SAS technology of the FT bullseye sight, and we actually lowered it into this slide as well. Now, the original concern was that the hammer and the firing pin retainer would cover up the green dot, and as you can see, that is not the case here. With the hammer cocked to the rear and gun ready to shoot, it is a very clear and easy to see ring and circle on the FT bullseye sight. Now, what this shares with the 365 is its usability, what it's intended to be used for. This optic is extremely effective at close quarter engagements. 10 yards and in is typically where I like to draw the line when I'm using this pistol. Now, granted, you can hit other further targets away with it, but it's not what it's designed for, and that doesn't change in the 938 SAS with this sight, just like the 365. You can find out a lot more about this gun if you go to our website at sigsauer.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all of our latest videos. Hey everyone, Phil Strader here at SIG Sauer, and today I'm here to show you a cardboard box. Actually, that's not true. It's what's in the box that's pretty special. And if you rewind a couple years ago, you'll see me standing in front of a very similar box as this, talking about a commemorative gun, the M17 Commemorative, a pistol that was the exact copy of the firearm that we submitted for the U.S. Army contract. Now, what some of you may not know is we actually submitted two guns for that contract, the M17 and the M18. And we do have an M18 commercial variant in the market right now. But today in here, we're giving you this, the M18 Commemorative. Take a look at that. Let's actually go through the box and talk about what you get. We'll start with the gun first. Now, just like the M17 Commemorative, the M18 is exactly like the way we submitted it to the U.S. military, which means all coyote tan controls. So you'll notice that the slide catch lever, the trigger, the safety, everything that's on this gun, even the takedown lever, is finished in a coyote tan PVD finish. Now, the military currently uses black controls, but this is supposed to look exactly like the gun we submitted, and it does, right down to the part numbers on the slide, the government cage code, even the orange vials in the rear sight plate assembly. It's all authentic. And it actually even has a very limited serial number. It's limited because we're only going to make 5,000 of these, just like we did with the M17 Commemorative. So if you bought one of those, now is your chance to complete the set with this, the M18 Commemorative. Now, it comes with 3 magazines, just like the M17 did. It comes with a 17-round magazine, and it also comes with 2 21-round magazines in the box. So that's 3 magazines total. Of course, it's chambered in 9mm, and just like the M17, you get a couple of redemption cards. One is for your certificate and for a coin. Now, when you dial the number or go to the website and redeem your gun, you actually get a coin that has the serial number of the model that you purchased. So it's a matching set serial number in your card and on the coin. And if you want to really accentuate your new purchase, there's also a collector's case redemption card in the box, so you can actually present your M18 Commemorative in a way fitting of its grandeur. This is the M18 Commemorative. If you want to find out more about this pistol and all of its features, go to sigsauer.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all of our latest videos.
Hey everyone, Stephanie here from the SIG Air division at SIG Sauer. Okay, let's talk about a really nice product that we have from our PROFORCE line. This is the M17 Airsoft pistol. PROFORCE line from our SIG Air division is one of our high-end training platforms, and this gun does not let you down. So what we have done is developed, alongside the civilian M17 firearm version, a counterpart Airsoft version as well. The great features about this PROFORCE M17 is it's a training gun. It is allowing you to take what you cannot accomplish on the range or a rainy day and bring it into your backyard, or allow you to train what you carry on your everyday. So let's run through some of the features. This is a full blowback system. It has lockback on your last round, regular drop magazine, just like your firearm pistol would have. So you can do all of those practice drills that you would typically handle in your firearm. It's a great little gun. It also has your fixed front and rear white dot sights. Like I said, drop magazine. It also has a mount plate, which the M17 firearm has as well. That allows for optic ready sights, whether that's a red dot or something else on the market that you can apply to this air gun. It is available to do with this Airsoft, and you can, again, practice what you preach. If you carry a red dot and you would like to carry that into your practice gun, you can do that here. The final really cool feature of the PROFORCE M17 Airsoft is that it is offered in CO2 version, so you can buy the complete model with the CO2 mag, or you can buy an M17 with a green gas version magazine. The cool feature is that if you buy an M17 with a CO2 magazine, and down the road, or if you're doing airsoft competition and they require certain feet per second, or you just feel like changing it up, you can buy the green gas magazine as an accessory, and it will fit inside the same platform that your CO2 model does. So you can interchange the magazines from green gas to CO2 on the same platform. So this is a great feature for this plinking pistol product. And if you have any questions, or you want to make any purchases or any more inquiries about SIG Air's product, make sure to visit sigsauer.com.